The Avylet Dual DashCam AV-1001 impresses with its ability to record in ultra-high-definition 4K on the front camera and full high-definition 1080p on the rear, ensuring that every crucial detail such as license plates and road signs is captured clearly. With built-in Wi-Fi and a free app, users can effortlessly control the dashcam, stream and download videos, and adjust settings on both Android and iOS devices, enhancing the convenience and user experience. An optional external GPS module provides valuable data like location, speed, and route, which can be crucial for insurance claims and legal purposes, elevating the dashcam's utility beyond mere video recording. The dashcam's wide-angle lenses, featuring a 170-degree field of view at the front and a 150-degree field of view at the rear, significantly reduce blind spots and ensure comprehensive road coverage for increased safety. Advanced night vision capabilities, thanks to a high-performance chipset, f1.6 aperture, and wide dynamic range technology, allow the Avylet DashCam to deliver clear footage even in low light or nighttime conditions, enhancing driving safety. The dashcam is equipped with a durable supercapacitor capable of operating in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable performance in various environmental conditions.